The Aculco project is an architectural retreat nestled in the heart of nature, designed as a holiday home that offers a peaceful escape from the demands of modern life. Surrounded by lush greenery and set against the dramatic backdrop of nearby cliffs, the house offers a serene refuge in a remote area, far from the bustle of urban living. It was during a rock climbing trip that two brothers, both avid lovers of outdoor activities, stumbled upon this unique piece of land. Enchanted by its raw beauty, they soon purchased the area, envisioning a future where they could build a home that would seamlessly integrate with the natural environment. Over time, they reforested the land, laying the groundwork for the project that would come to be known as Aculco. A few years after acquiring the land, the brothers commissioned the Aculco project. The architectural design was heavily influenced by the landscape itself, aiming to create a home that would engage in a continuous dialogue with its surroundings. The concept behind the design was simple yet profound: to build a structure that not only complements the environment, but also requires minimal maintenance. Every aspect of the project was driven by a desire to blend into nature rather than dominate it. Simplicity became the guiding principle, with the home designed to frame the stunning views of the cliffs, forests, and open skies, transforming each room into a container for the natural vistas beyond its walls. The materials chosen for the Aculco house reflect this respect for the environment and the desire for authenticity. Local quarry stone, clay floors, wood, and glass were used in their raw, untreated forms, adding a sense of rustic elegance to the home. The unrefined materials mirror the rugged beauty of the surrounding landscape, creating an intimate connection between the man-made and the natural. The block walls, made from stones sourced from the area, ground the house in its environment, while the expansive glass windows open the interiors to panoramic views, ensuring that nature remains a constant presence within the home. However, the construction of the Aculco project posed a significant challenge due to its isolated location. Building in such a remote place required careful planning and resourcefulness. Every decision, from sourcing materials to assembling a skilled workforce, had to account for the difficulty of access and the lack of nearby infrastructure. Yet, despite these obstacles, the architects and builders remained committed to causing as little disruption to the environment as possible. The goal was to tread lightly on the land, ensuring that the house would blend harmoniously with its surroundings and leave a minimal ecological footprint. The result is a home that feels as though it belongs to the land, a structure that rises from the earth with grace and simplicity. The interplay between the built environment and the natural world is palpable in every aspect of the design. The Aculco project is not just a place to live. It is an experience that fosters a deep sense of connection to nature. From the raw materials to the minimalist aesthetic, every detail of the house celebrates the beauty of its surroundings and offers a respite from the noise and demands of daily life. Ultimately, the Aculco project stands as a testament to the power of thoughtful design. It demonstrates how architecture can be both functional and deeply respectful of the environment, creating a space where nature is not only admired but lived in and appreciated on an intimate level.